Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you're doing well. It's Memorial Day weekend. Let's get it. So hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell for notifications every time I upload something new. You never know where I'll be. But today, we are at Harriman State Park, cutting through. The park itself, it is kind of still closed. And I do have to admit, it is kind of sad. There's nice twisty roads in this park, but they're all blocked off. So only the main road that cuts through the whole park is open. It's a nice scenic route. No big deal. I want to give you 5 reasons why I love my 2020 Road Glide. Number 1, it's small. It may be stupid to you, but it's got to be the USB charging cable. You know how many times I've been out on the road and my phone dies? I got to reach into the backpack. I got to take out the charging brick. I got to run the wire through my jacket up to the handlebars just to charge my phone. Nope, not anymore. I got a USB charger right in there. So just think, let me take the USB charger out of your car, out of your vehicle, and see how you fare. You'll hate it. You can't charge your phone. Can't charge your GPS. Shit, you can't even charge, I don't know, a TV? I don't know. I don't know what people do to their cars these days. Number 2 has to be this paint. I really love this paint. My heart was set on a all murdered out black 2020 Road Glide. I had to find it, Road Glide Special. But when I saw this at the dealer, I fell in love. I can't tell you, I really did. Maybe it's the red. Red is for love. But just the red, this billiard red looks, magical. Really can't explain why this red makes me gravitate to it. I really can't. I really can't. Number 3 has to be the handling. The handling on this bike, very surprised. Coming off a Heritage Softail Classic, the steering on that was spot on. I felt like I could flick it into corners. I felt like, I had no problems making U-turns with it. And surprisingly, I have the same thing with this one. I really feel like because the fairing isn't hooked to the handlebars, maybe that's why it feels a little lighter. Up at speed, the handling feels awesome. Even in slow stuff, parking lots, anything. I feel like I could maneuver this without any problem. Number 4 has to be the shark nose. When I started riding, I fell in love with the Harley shark nose for this bike. Something wanted me to gravitate towards it. I don't know. It's fixed to the bike, not to the handlebars, so that's why the handlebars feel great. And just the look of it, the storage. There's a lot more storage on this than the actual Street Glide. And the Street Glide, you know, that's a nice bike too. But when I think of touring, I think of the Shark Nose. My bike before this was the twin cam engine. Now, that engine had a little bit of character. It shaked in every way. Now this, they pulled out the shake a little bit in this engine. It doesn't even, sometimes it doesn't even feel like it's under me. You know, and people really didn't like it because you lost its character, the Harley character, the shake, rattle, and roll. But you know what? I mean, this engine is just a beast. It really is. From going from it wasn't really modified twin cam, it just had a stage 1 in it, to this, I felt instantly I had more power. Instantly. Even though this bike was heavier, I felt like it pulled harder. You know? So listen to the engine. It just pulls. It pulls it nice. It pulls nice. Now, don't get me wrong. I did put a stage 1 on it. They did tune it on the dyno tune. You know, now it's putting out about, I want to say 88 to 89 horsepower, which isn't a lot. But the torque, dude, I'm pushing over 100 foot-pound of torque. It's lovely. Like, it's like almost seat of the pants power. You could just, once you twist the throttle, you just get gobs of it. Can't do it right now because we are in the middle of I can't do it right now because the red light is coming up. So guys, that's why I love this Road Glide. Say that some of my likings of this bike are a little foolish, but I mean, you could do long distance on this bike and I would be comfortable for hours on hours. So I hope you liked the video. Hope to see you soon. Have a great Memorial Day weekend, and please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you later.